This is me, the founder of Lego Mandarin. Not handsome, but not so ugly, right? Welcome to the fastest, easiest, and most fun place to learn Chinese. Why I call it Lego. Here is my methodology and approach. I give the name Lego, I think around 2005. I realized Chinese language like building up the wall. The brick is a noun. To lay down the brick is action, the verb, then the connectives. So our Chinese grammar like a Lego game. So in 2006, I registered the Lego LEGO Mandarin.com. At the same time, LEGOO. I respect the Lego the copyrights, but I got hint from their approach, like a game, like a Lego game. But you know what happened? The Lego group gave me the lawyer letter in 2006. But of course, I never let the Lego Mandarin.com alive. So I just use the Lego Mandarin. They're okay. I have no intention to infringe their copyrights. I respect their copyrights. And I love that company. I hope one day they can look for me. Maybe we can work together. This is me. Maybe some people call me overeducated, but this gives me advantage. My various education background in IT and business enable me to provide a unique approach to teach. So in 2015, I create another education portal I call Edu. Why call Edu? Educational video. Educational video combines the notes, the audio, the video, and the teacher's explanations into a single video. I call it maybe my dummy. My dummy can teach you. At the same time, easy for me to sell it online. So I create edu.biz in 2015. Lego Mandarin is now and the Edu. More courses are adding now, including English, Math, Bahasa Malaysia. Chinese got one saying, 从其大体者为大人，从其小体者为小人. So, if you do the big things, you're VIP, you're big people. You do the small things, you're small people. So I translate aim big, achieve bigger. So you just teaching me just a teacher or tutor, but if you're thinking your education, you're in the area of education, you're educator. Welcome more teachers to join our platform to deliver the best you know to students as the easiest, fastest, and cheapest way. Welcome to contact me at david@edu.biz or david@legomandarin.com. Here are some of the record. Here are some of my research and presentations in different units in Beijing, 师范大学, the best teachers unit in China, and Hong Kong uni, the top unit in Asia. Here I just give one sample course to introduce you how do I conduct the course. My best-selling course, How to Speak Mandarin. How to learn to speak Mandarin in 10 hours. The target students for zero beginner focus more on speaking and the cost and the time you need to spend to study. the learning objective and settings, and the topics inside. Here are some of my students' comments. This one is a very new one. I love it, and I love it. These notes. I know this lady is very passionate. I love it. I love the comments. Here are some other comments from my YouTube channel. I created the YouTube channel in 2011, but really started from the 2015. I realized it's a very good place to communicate with my students, so I keep updating my video twice a day. Remember, twice a day. Yes, I'm a very talented and passionate teacher. That's why I can create many videos. I keep uploading twice a day. Check my YouTube schedules. My methodology and approach here is sentence and vocabulary builder. I give one sample course or sample lessons. 这些都是张小姐的。It's all Miss Zhang's. 这些 this 些 plural 这些 this all Miss Zhang's. So after go through the listening or something, I will change you to read. Your time to read by yourself. You can read everything and know the meaning in crystal clear. But don't worry. I'll use my sentence and vocabulary builder to explain in more detail. Vocabulary builder. Find and list out the connections among Chinese characters. So vocabulary like the building bricks. Each language has its own features. There's no alphabet in Chinese language, but we have radical. Sentence builder. Like the Lego game. You will find the connections how to make Chinese sentence, which maybe break down your English. Noun. The break is noun. Actually, the verb. So the connection. So the Chinese language like building up the wall. The sequence of each vocab is important. It's a unique part of Chinese language. We cannot change the do, did, done, right? So Chinese grammar, what we call the grammar, just a sequence of the Chinese phrase. For example, 我很喜欢这本书. I very like this book. I really like this book. 本 is mere words used between numbers or before the verb to describe the noun. Before the noun to describe the noun. 我很喜欢这本书. I very like this book. Means I really like this book. 本 is mere words used before the noun to describe the noun. You can understand the mere words as a classifier or grouper. To group or classify the nouns into different groups according to natures or shape, etc. In level 1, level 2, I will give the flash. At the same time, I also give the numbers at the beginning of each stroke to help you to write out the Chinese characters. Try your best to write out. Another one. 我很喜欢这本书. My vocabulary builder. 喜欢 like. 欢喜. 喜欢 verb. 欢喜 is adjective already. Also can use as verb. 欢 I give another one the flash to explain the keywords. 喜欢他喜欢读书. Then I give one Another example sentence to make you to know how to use this phrase. For example, he likes read book. 他喜欢读书。He likes read book. 他喜欢读书。At the same time, I will play this the flash. Try your best to write out. Writing will make the memory last much longer inside your brain. My reading drills. 喜欢 I'll expand the things. 喜欢这本书，我很喜欢这本书。Through repetitions, the memory might last longer inside your brain. You will remember the keywords. After go through the sentence builders reading drills, come to your time to read again. I will challenge you can read everything. If you cannot, but don't worry, I will read one more time, explain one more time. For example, 很喜欢这本书 I very like this book. I like this book very much. 这些都是张小姐的 These all Miss Zhang's. this 些 plural. 张小姐 Miss Zhang 的张小姐的 shows a procession. For example, 你 you 你的 your 我 I or me 我的 my. Then come to another part, your time to talk. Speaking Mandarin is very challenging, especially for the beginner, because you are thinking the sentence structure in English. Maybe I need to break down your thinking according to structure. Maybe I just give one pictures. It's open end. Can you speak out some sentence to describe the picture? I really like this book. I give the direct translation. I very like this marvelous MW, not BMW, this book.我 very 很喜欢 I like 喜欢 this 这 marvelous for book 本书我很喜欢这本书我很喜欢这本书 Other options she likes reading this book very much 她很喜欢这本书 or she's reading book 她在读书 Here an example TV This is TV 这是电视我喜欢看电视我家买了新电视 blah blah Computer 电脑 This is my computer 这是我的电脑这是我的电脑 This is my laptop hand carry computer 这是我的手提电脑this is computer my daddy bought for me It's my 这是我爸爸买给我的电脑 I use computer every day 我天天用电脑 every day 天天 I day 我天天 means every day 飞机 airplane I sit airplane go to 北京我坐飞机去北京坐 sit here means travel by I go to airport to take the airplane 我去飞机场坐飞机 The airplane fly very fast 飞机飞得很快 Don't forget 飞 fly 机 immersion So 飞机 flying immersion The plane The aeroplane I like to travel by aeroplane 我喜欢坐飞机去旅行 blah blah Then come to last part Your time to write Writing is very important in Chinese study. It will help you to recognize Chinese characters and also make the vocab last much longer inside your memory. I will give opinion and make the character blinking. If you can, write out from memory. If cannot, look at the screen again. For the level 1, level 2, I'll give you the flash again to help you to write out. and some similar words and related words. Some Chinese characters very similar, like 钱, 找 and 我. 钱 money, 找 look for, 我 me. 钱找我 me or I. I put them together, easy for you to understand. Then come to some parts. I give some grammar. I use my way to explain it. And if there are some videos, I'll give the video before the lesson and also after at the end of the episode. Your time to watch or your time to watch again to see how much do you understand. That's my approach and methodology. So see you in my course. 再见。